Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner in Austin here, and today I'm going to be saluting on Panda Animations. If everyone who hates this user, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Enjoy the video. Panda Animations? Yes, this user rocks. This user makes great videos. Subscribe to this user, guys. Subscribe to this user. And he also makes singing toy videos. The first video is called Kmart Christmas 2019. Wow. Yep, it says Kmart Christmas 2019. Yep, so he also made this video. It's called the Cuddle Barn Blue Moo. He makes great videos. I really like this drawing. Jemmy Rudolph Jack in the Box. I really love these drawings. And he also made this videos called Jemmy 2019 Santa Baby Dog. I saw this one at Big Lots before. He also made a video about that Jemmy Mummy Scooby. Pretty cool. And he also makes an unboxing video. It's an eBay unboxing video. And it says, unboxing a Jemmy Treater Greeter Pumpkin Boy. And here is his toy that he got. Yep, so Panda Animations is amazing. And he also makes some low battery videos, like, let me look for it. He makes some singing toy videos right here. And I really like this video here. That's a Cuddle Barn Hedge Hearts. I really like this drawing. That's beautiful. And he also makes some low battery videos. Let me look for it. Oh, here it is. Here, he also makes some low battery videos. Alright. Yep, so Panda Animations is amazing. And so does Snoopy Products 8. Susan Watch Kicky Sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.